Today we're diving into the rustic charm of the T4TREAM Farmhouse 7 Drawers Dresser. A stunning piece that adds warmth and coziness to any bedroom with its natural wood texture and vintage design. This dresser, measuring 54 inches wide, features a unique blend of embossed textures and beveled edges, exuding sophistication and elegance, while the Roman column-style handles provide a classic finishing touch. With a satisfactory storage capacity, it includes 3 small drawers and 4 large drawers, perfect for organizing your socks, clothing, linens, and more, while the spacious tabletop offers a stylish canvas for displaying framed photos and artistic accents. Built with high-quality materials and skilled craftsmanship, this heavy and sturdy piece ensures exceptional stability and durability, making it a cherished investment for years to come. Assembly is made easy with clear instructions and labeled parts, though we recommend having a second person to assist for a smoother process. Shipped in sturdy boxes with thick foam and wooden protective panels, the dresser arrives safely, and if you encounter any issues, our dedicated support team is ready to provide professional assistance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.